Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are looking at another interesting topic, atoms and molecules. If this is your first time of joining us, we welcome you specially. This is a place where we learn the basics of chemistry step by step. Do well to check our previous videos. Get your writing materials and let's begin. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. The smallest parts of an element or the smallest particles of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Example, you can see one hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom, one carbon atom, and one iron atom. Let's look at the definition of a molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance that can exist independently and still retain the chemical properties of that substance. The smallest particle of a substance that can exist independently and still retain the chemical properties of that substance. Examples, we have two hydrogen atoms, H2, two oxygen atoms, O2, two nitrogen atoms, N2. We have water, H2O, and we have carbon dioxide, CO2. Let's look at the difference between an atom and a molecule. An atom is the smallest particle of an element, while a molecule is the smallest particle of a substance. An atom can exist by itself, while a molecule can exist independently. An atom consists of one atom, while a molecule consists of two or more atoms chemically combined. As you can see, the examples of atom, one hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom, sodium, one sodium atom, and one iron atom. Examples of molecules, two atoms of hydrogen, that is H2, O2, N2, H2O, and CO2. Types of molecules. There are two types of molecules. Number one type is molecules of elements. These contain atoms of the same elements. Molecules of elements contain atoms of the same elements. Examples, H2, O2, N2, Cl2. We have molecules of compounds. These contain atoms of different elements chemically combined. Atoms of different elements chemically combined. Examples, H2O, you can see hydrogen atom and oxygen atom combined. Carbon dioxide, you can see carbon and oxygen atoms combined. Ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen combined. Methane, carbon and hydrogen combined. We'll be stopping here for this lesson. I believe you've learned the definition of atoms and molecules, their differences and types of molecules. But before we go, let's take some questions. Number one, which of the following is the smallest particle of an element that can exist by itself? A, molecule, B, atom, C, compound, D, mixture. The correct answer is B, atom. Number two, which of the following is a correct example of a molecule? A, He, B, Na, C, H2O, D, Fe. And the correct answer is H2O. Number three, which of the following best describes a molecule? Number A, the smallest particle of an element. B, two or more atoms chemically combined. C, a mixture of two or more substances. D, combination of two or more elements. So you try this and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point. If you have found this video helpful, do well to share, subscribe, and like. You can actually be helping that child that is complaining that Chemistry is hard by sharing this piece of video with someone. Thank you so much. Once again, we'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.